Hi Scorpions, this is Tower with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for November 2020. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall reading and I'll also use some oracle decks that I have. Scorpions, please subscribe to my channel and also spread the word about Tarot with Ariana Stark. Maybe you could like the channel and even hit the notification bell so that you are informed about our upcoming videos. Towards the final days of October, stepping into November, we have the Emperor card. Certainly, you were feeling that you were in control of situations, but I think you may have also been coming across as someone who was way too bossy or way too dogmatic. I also believe, Scorpions, if you had cooperated with others in this period, then you would have definitely made gains. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Two of Pentacles. The Two of Pentacles, as you see, you have to juggle money and energy this month. I think money could be a factor in your personal life or in the work situation wherever you are. Other than that, I also feel that don't depend on others with respect to decision making. Maybe you should follow your own instinct and try not to be also too greedy with respect to money matters. Maybe in the end you may end up losing everything, so be very cautious while dealing with money. There'll also be reunions this month, but then I think, Scorpions, you will also come across as someone who's quite aloof, so try not to be too detached as well. Influences for the month, we have the Knight of Swords. So Knight of Swords is a very quick moving energy, so you're going to be quite active. You have to adjust and you have to accommodate, and you cannot be inflexible in your attitude. Maybe there are times when you'll have to be up and about, so that is a huge possibility. Basically, there'll be a great many changes and you'll have to move forward accordingly. Because of the Swords energy, I also feel that there's a tendency to get exasperated very quickly, so avoid getting angry. Your mood could fluctuate. Whatever it is, appreciation for your creative talent is quite likely this month. Sometimes I also feel that you may be making a mountain out of a molehill, so just watch or just be a bit more patient with everybody around you. Sometimes you may also feel there's an air of mistrust within the relationships or within the home, on the home front. So you need to be careful of that. I also feel that you could get distracted easily in this month because you ignore the finer details, so this could affect you. So try to be more careful when you're signing documents or when you're getting tasks done, because you don't want to review the thing all over again. Perhaps you'll have to incorporate some changes in the end. The first 10 days of November, we have the Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands, certainly it talks about enhanced communication or increased communication. For some of you, you could also be moving about. There could be travel as well. Maybe you're looking for other opportunities, so it's the best time to reach out or to socialize or to promote your talents and all, because even if you're looking for a job, I think there could be offers as well, but maybe you should take everything with a grain of salt, because the possibility of your expectations not being met are enormous. Whatever it is, sometimes you feel that beggars can't be choosers, so whatever it is, you need to take whatever comes your way, but decide. Also, I think, Scorpions, like I said, you should live within the boundaries or you should live within the limitations. Maybe you'll be coming across as someone who's unethical or who's doing things which are very suspicious. So try to live within the rules so that you're not accused of financial mismanagement. Maybe you want to make a quick buck, but then others around you may not be happy, or the person whom you're dealing with, a superior in this case, may not be happy with the way you go about. Also, I think you need to listen to your paternal figures in your life. Maybe your dad or somebody who's a male figure. Maybe you are not being too kind with your words when you are dealing with him. Maybe you are going to brush him aside, so it will be pointed out that you need to be more tactful when it comes to your father or a father figure. Whatever it is, I think you need to seek assistance and you need to move forward if you want to make gains. Also, I think, Scorpions, you'll be quite generous in this period as well. Towards 11th to 20th November, we have the Page of Wands. So Page of Wands, again, there's an uprush of energy and you'll be quite creative as well. I think, again, Scorpions, you'll be sought after. You're the wise owl, so you will be sought after for your words of wisdom. Maybe you're coming across as the agony aunt this month. Again, appreciation is definitely on the cards for Scorpions this month. Many of you may also be having strange dreams in this period, or even you may be interested in the occult sciences. Perhaps you could help yourself by being more accommodating and adapting to whatever is in front of you. Towards the final days, that is 21st to 30th November, we have the Moon card, and we also have 10 of Swords. So this period will be marked by indecision. Maybe you may think that everything is caving in and that there's excess pressure over here. If you're an employee, then there could be too much to deal with, and it could get a bit oppressive as well. Maybe you are being asked to take on more than you can chew. So that is also a factor which is making you a bit exhausted. There's certainly some negative energy around you. Like I said, you'll have prophetic dreams, and also in this period also your intuition will be quite heightened. So follow your instinct rather than ignore it. I also believe that you should be careful of your health. That could affect you as well. Some of you may also make travel plans in this part of the month. I'm also picking up that maybe your family members may think that you aren't very clear-sighted with respect to your decision making when it comes to your own professional choices, or with respect to how you need to proceed in your profession. So they may think that you need to reevaluate where you're going wrong. Sometimes I think you may also feel the cash crunch, because we also have the card 2 of Pentacles. So I think that because it's a challenge card over here, so you need to save for a rainy day. But I also believe that people whom you rely on for financial assistance will definitely come forward and assist you. Maybe there'll also be offers for your side profession in this month. In case you're having dealing with the lawyers or with the legal system, I think you should be extra careful, because you may think that the lawyer is taking you for a ride. With respect to your love life, we have the card Stuck. I think an element of indecision is evident in this card. Maybe you think that you are not making any headway. I also feel, in case you're single Scorpions, I think that there could be more than one suitor. So you may be wondering whom to date or whom to go out with. It's a possibility also that you tend to lose interest because you're scattering away your energy, and you can't decide about one person comes in and another person can walk in after some time. So you may be deliberating whom to date. That could also be there. I also feel that in case you are married, then you should be careful, because infidelity could be a factor in your relationship. Whatever it is, I think your partner or in your lover or your marriage partner, they could help you at work. So take legal assistance or take their words, listen to their advice, and then move forward. Other than that, many of you could also hear from an ex-flame in this month, or maybe you could also reach out to an ex. Some of you may also be rattled because there are other people around you who could interfere in your marriage, perhaps your in-laws, and this could unsettle you to no end. Those who are romancing, I also feel that you may be dealing with an insecure lover. Perhaps you need to reassure him that you're not going to return to your ex, because like I said, the possibility of the ex resurfacing in your life is a huge possibility, that is. From the Lenormand, we have the card Cross. This card certainly talks about burdens. I mean, we all have a cross to bear, but then the problems should be shared. So I think, Scorpions, you may also be dealing with religion or spirituality. That could also be keeping you preoccupied. Even paranormal activity around you could make you think about spiritual matters. There are burdens, no doubt, but you need to spell whatever is bothering you. Maybe you need to thrash out issues rather than go quiet. From the past life deck, we have the card Finances. This is ironic. This has completely taken me by surprise because, like I said, in this month, in your reading, it seems that finances, your financial condition could be a factor which could affect you to no end. So, finances, I think this is a past life issue also that you're dealing with. It says here that maybe in your past life, you may have been in a situation where your needs were met by the community, but in this life, you are living in a material world. You are living in a capitalist society, so you have to work accordingly. You have to be self-dependent and self-reliant. So this situation of being self-reliant or self-independent could be a bit alien to you, considering that you have always thought about others. Maybe it will benefit you if you're even more generous towards other people, because even this card cross, when we are open-handed, then God will definitely shower us with more blessings. I hope, Scorpions, you liked your reading. This was for the forecast for November 2020. Please give us your feedback in the comments section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.